Alex Green updated his vanilla paste recipe. Let's make it. I'm going to be making a half batch of his recipe because I have a lot of vanilla paste already on hand. And we're going to start with 2 ounces of vanilla beans. Next, I'm going to add 3 ounces of water. Next up is 8 ounces of sugar, 6 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of corn syrup. And now we're just going to blend it up in our high-powered blender. I'm using a Vitamix until it's nice and smooth. So there you have it. I blended it up for a couple of minutes. I wanted to make sure it was really fine. At this point, you can add xanthan gum if you want it to be a little thicker. I think I'm not going to. I'm going to try it as is. It is pretty liquidy, but I suspect it's going to thicken as it cools. It got a little warm in the Vitamix. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to let it cool, and if it's not thick enough for me, I will add some xanthan gum after the fact. I have a container here, but this is a half recipe, and look at, wow, that's perfect. All right, I will let you know in about a month how yummy it is. The thing I really like about vanilla paste is that it's good to go right away, but it does definitely get better if you leave it, or at least some of them do. I find some of them are just as good from the minute they're done, and others take a little while. I suspect this one's going to get a lot better in about a month. Smells good. All right, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to give it a like and consider subscribing to the channel. If you liked this video, you'll probably like this one or this one. I'll meet you there. Bye for now. Ooh, I think it's time for a vanilla milkshake. Oh, this vanilla goodness. Oh, yeah.